Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol, and aim of today's practical is study of chantrential stage of the genus Batrachospermum. Batrachospermum, it is a algal plant, it is a algae. Let us see the details about the chantrential stage of the genus Batrachospermum. What is the requirement for the practical? The requirement is we need a permanent slide of chantrential stage of the genus Batrachospermum, and we need a microscope to observe the slide. And in procedure, what we have to do? Just we have to adjust the slide under the microscope, and we have to observe all the details of the given permanent slide under microscope, and we have to note all the details. What we have to see, what we can see in the slide, let us see what we have to observe exactly. That the chantrential stage is also known as juvenile stage of the Batrachospermum or young stage of the Batrachospermum. Okay, it is formed by germination of carpospores that are detached from the sporogenous filament of Batrachospermum. Chantrantia stage is highly branched heterotrichous filamentous structure which looks like a independent alga, which looks like a different alga. Next, once it has to be believed to be an independent alga, and the name has been given as Chantrantia. It grows in thick clusters attached to the leaves of the grasses and other objects in water. The Chantrantia forms those multiply by asexual reproduction by forming small rounded spores that are called monospores. Monospores are produced at the tip of the short branches by the process of budding. The monospores germinate and produce again the Chantrantia or chantrential stage. This is repeated a number of times till ultimately some of the lateral branches develop into adult Batrachospermum or sexual plant. The Chantrantia form therefore is only one phase and not an independent plant in the life history of the Batrachospermum that has been confirmed. Okay, these things you have to observe. Next, this is the photograph of chantrential stage of Batrachospermum. Okay.